This made noise before.
It got stuck somewhere.
No.
Drive to 98th and West End. There's a cell phone in a bag under a dumpster. Find it and press redial. We'll tell you where to drive. You better read this.
Doc runs the money alone. No way. You're not doing this.
I can take care of myself.
Look, no offense, but med school doesn't exactly prepare you for something like this.
The Air Force did.
I'm out.
They paid for medical school.
And she's out too.
Mom's staying during Desert Storm. I know how to handle myself around men with guns.
Yep.
Take this. Take it.
It'll be okay.
You want the mice? Yep, she's done.